Here you go, Jason and Noah, a couple of knuckleheads. I like that first one, but look at the seat on it. That's not a seat, that's a piece of metal. Maybe a half-inch spring on there. That's rigid frames for both rigid frames. Oh no, man. Can you imagine riding about a mile on that sucker? The back tire PSI got to be like 12. Maybe 7 inches. Give yourself a little spring. Otherwise, those are for like 21 years old. Us older folks, you ride that thing straight to the chiropractor. Or the doctor gets some pain medicines. I gotta love his passion for motorcycles. He got some pretty good taste. What do you think? Which one do you like better? I like the first one.